Hey, it's Scott from San Marcos Makes. Today we are going to be making a very special international dish. I was listening to a podcast, I heard of this, and I just had to find out more. It is the Flygande Jakob, is I guess how you say it in Sweden, but this is Sweden's #1 at-home recipe. So there was a guy, his name was OVE, so Ove Jacobson. He is the inventor of this recipe, 1976. Since then, I guess it's just a recipe everybody makes, but it has a lot of weird ingredients. You wouldn't think that they would go together. Bananas, chili sauce, something I've never used. I've seen it, I think kind of a spicier ketchup, chicken, bacon, cream, all in one dish, casserole. So let's make it. I'm gonna already have a lot of things prepped, and we're gonna throw this in the oven. If you're getting close to being ready to cook, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Let's make it. So a couple options to get ready. I think it's easiest to get a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, but you could definitely easily just get some chicken, but you want it cooked. You want cooked chicken, is my whole point. So this is just one rotisserie chicken. Some of the skin is on for flavor. Also got about, 6 to 8 pieces of bacon already cooked. And in a blender, I've taken 2 cups of cream and making basically whipped cream. Not a sweetened cream, but just a whipped cream. I will be adding chili sauce to that in just a second. You want to make kind of like not super stiff peaks, but just where, yeah, right there. All right, so I have the 2 cups of whipped cream. I'm gonna add half cup to a cup and mix this together. It should pinken up a little bit, orange. All right, I'm happy with that. So now we are gonna layer everything together. So you want a pretty good sized casserole dish, so you can put everything in here. I'm gonna put all of the chicken in there. Just kind of mix it down all on the bottom. This will be your base. I'm then gonna add the bacon. Mix this all around. All right, so I cut up 3 to 4 bananas, all depending on the size of the bananas, but you'll want banana over every little bit. I'll just put a few bananas. If you're gonna do this dish, you want to go all in on it. The more I think about this dish, I'm kind of getting excited because Elvis, who I'm a big fan of, loves his peanut butter and banana sandwiches, and which I have made, and I actually like mine with bacon. So this is kind of reminding me of that, and it pairs really, really well with it. The peanut butter. Now this is just peanuts, but same concept. But you want a good layer of bananas. Next you want to add peanuts, kind of the same thing. Now I've seen some people put the peanuts on the top. I've seen kind of all over the place. I agree with a lot of people. One thing they said was the peanuts, if you put them on the top, they'll burn, they'll get a little bitter. So I kind of agree with that. I'm probably putting about a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. Again, I want this to sing loudly with all these ingredients. Once you get that there, then you're gonna put the whipped cream chili sauce straight on top. You will also see this a lot of times made with curry, which I think I would like. But if I add the curry, which I guess not all of this got mixed up real well, but if I add curry, I'm 100% positive My wife will not eat this, and I'm still holding hope that she might try it. So I'm gonna leave out the curry. All right, we're going to get a good layer and then spread it out. Again, this is just heavy whipping cream, whipped up, kind of like, I mean, this is how you make whipped cream, but of course this is not sweetened. All right, that is the dish. We're gonna get this in the oven. We're gonna, remember, bake it at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Should brown the top. Let's get it in the oven. So after about 20-25 minutes, it is done. It has a tomato smell. The only thing I don't know. All right, so let's dig in. Just gonna put, that looks so weird. Put a little bit in a bowl. All right, so we're gonna do it. It smells fine. Well, I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything on each bite. So definitely I see some chicken there. Got a peanut. We gotta get some banana and bacon. All right, so we got everything there. Let's see how this tastes. I'm not speechless. I'm just not positive what to say, and I can't decide if I like it. All right, so here's how we're gonna do it. A, it needs salt. It needs flavor. I really thought the banana was gonna take over, but I don't know, maybe if you cook the banana, the flavor, I barely even taste banana even when I'm eating the banana. So truly the banana's not adding anything. And that's the flavor that I thought was gonna be pretty strong. I really barely even tasted the chili, maybe a little bit. The peanuts, they didn't get as soft as I was hoping they would. I like the Canadian food, a softer peanut when I'm eating it. I don't mind that at all. Of course, the bacon is like the best part, but I was expecting that. I would definitely eat it. Again, this is super easy dish. I mean, super easy. And I think I could make it better. Like tweaking the recipe, it definitely needs salt. I didn't put a lot of salt because I was worried about the bacon and the peanuts. I'm actually disappointed in this dish. I was really hoping the the banana would be stronger. And it might as well not even be in there. Super happy I made it. I would probably make it again, but I would like to probably almost create my own dish. I would love, and I think it would work. The very back half, put some crispy onions, think like green bean casserole on top. I think that would add a really good taste to it. Definitely needs salt, probably some pepper. My American palate, definitely probably some garlic and maybe some onion to really jazz it up. I'm missing that banana thing, so I may have to try to come up with something with some, I don't know, banana extract or something to get a little more, or maybe caramelize the banana, something to pull out that sweetness. Maybe I should have used a much riper banana, but I'll play with this some more, and as I get it to where I would like it, I'll definitely share. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is my favorite type of cooking, is that experimental, international, playing with different flavors. If you enjoyed it, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel. Please always remember my rules. Beans don't go in chili. Okra does not go in gumbo, but it is perfectly acceptable to put pineapple on pizza. And I guess bananas in food.